Hello, Miss Recheck's English students. This is an announcement about your final. The final is your poetry portfolio. For this, you will need to make a title page, choose 4 of your original poems, edit them, and print them. And then you will make a credits page where you basically just give credit to the inspirations for your poetry and write one thing you learned or liked, one thing you did not like, and one thing that you have as an aspiration for your future. Then you can turn that in. If you are a virtual student, you can do that all on Word and then submit that to Canvas. If you have an F in English currently, the only way your grade will go up is if you turn in the literary analysis essay over Fahrenheit 451. If you have not read that book and you cannot write that essay, you can email me for an alternative assignment. It will still be a reading and it will still be a writing, but it can be an alternative text that I will send you if you email me. So again, if you're trying to raise your grade above an F, doing the daily work will not do that. You have to do the makes. There are 2 makes for this semester. One is the literary analysis essay and one is the poetry portfolio. If you do not know how to write your literary analysis essay, then you will need to email me so I could give you an alternative assignment. Thank you.